What is up, everybody? As some of you may know, I did sell the 335i, but that means that we have money to put into the E30. Greta is ready for some car parts, and today we're going to be going over the car parts that I have ordered. All that in today's episode. My name is Ryan. This is Project Racecar. Let's get into it. So as you guys see, Greta, she is a couple different colors, but just ignore that, right? As she sits right now, she's sitting on some stock bottle cap rims, and it looks old. It looks like she just doesn't look great. So I decided to order some rims for the E30. These are 14s, and I ordered 16 by 8s. So those are coming in, and they should get here on Monday the 28th. I am very excited to have those come in. It's going to change the entire look of the car, and I want you guys to guess what type of rim that I got. So leave it down in the comments down below, and we're going to be doing a 4,000 subscriber special of revealing the rims to you guys. So we're close. I think we're at like 3,940. So we just need 60 more subscribers to reveal the rims. So I think that you guys can do that. Let's make it happen, and make sure to comment what rim you think that I'm getting for the E30. So the other thing with the E30 is she is sitting on stock suspension with some lowering springs on there. So if you look under here, this bad girl is all original. I don't know when the last time the shocks were replaced, but I'm sure that it has been too long. Her suspension is pretty stiff, but when you put lowering springs on the car, what it does is it shortens the travel for your shocks to absorb stuff. So it puts more wear on the shocks than anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to ditch all of that, and we are putting the E30 on BC Racing coilovers. The best part about the coilovers is they are fully adjustable, so we'll be able to change the ride height on the E30 to fit those rims. And we'll make sure that she's at a good level to where she looks mint, but also to not where we're rubbing or scraping. And I ordered both of these parts through Fitment Industries. If you guys haven't heard of them, go check them out. They are an amazing company with super great customer service. You can basically call and they will tell you what rims you can run on your car, what sizing, and really go through the tire options for you. And they make it really easy to break down what fits on your car. They also process and order stuff very, very quickly. So I ordered these rims on Monday. They're getting here this next Monday. So a full week time for a full set of 4 rims is amazing. Now, what we're also going to be doing with the E30 is if you look underneath the car, she has been peeing all over the garage. And it is coming from the shift boot. Or not the shift boot, but she is coming from the actual steering rack and leaking from there. So what I did is I ordered a new steering rack, which is right here. It's already here. And this one is out of a BMW Z3. And the best part about this one is that it is a shorter gearing ratio steering rack than the stock one. So if you jump in the E30 and crank the wheel lock to lock, it is about 3.8 turns from getting all the way right to all the way left. All the way right to all the way left. So it is about 3.8 turns. And the Z3 one is 2.7. So we'll be able to crank the wheel and completely change the steering ratio of the car. And unfortunately, we do have to make a little bit of some modifications, but we are waiting for a spacer to come in for the steering rack. A very common swap to do for the E30s to make that, just because it feels like you're driving a boat when you have to crank it, 4 times. So we'll most likely get the rims in on Monday, and then I'm hoping that the coilovers come in soon as well. And what we'll also be doing is the power steering rack. So that should make a big difference with the car. Getting it on full suspension, getting new rims and tires will change the full look of it. I'm getting nice, good tires. And then changing the actual steering ratio is going to be a crazy feel. So the E30 is well on her way to being a perfect project car. And unfortunately, we all want our project car to go as fast as possible, but I think some of the process is the best part of a project car. The thing that I'm going to do after I get all the rims and the tires and the suspension is then we're going to take a look at these seats and getting them reupholstered. And I looked on originally getting cloth, like a nice, good cloth material. But the cloth material that I want is $500 to do the entire inside, and that's just for material. So that's if I do it myself. But I don't know if I can, really attack this as well as a professional would. But what I thought about doing is, since I just sold the 335, I figured that I love that interior so much that we could do peanut butter interior for the E30. Which would look amazing. So what we're also going to do is we'll also cut out this portion and keep this stock material in the black leather, but then have the inside be the peanut butter as well. So when I do that, I'm also going to take out all the carpet and dye the carpet black. That way it looks a lot better in here, and the E30 will be mint. So these are some of the plans that I have for the E30 before summer ends. So we're going to be trying to knock this out as much as possible. And then we'll kind of just keep preparing for the engine swap, which I want to do by hopefully next December. So when winter comes, really dive into this car and get that engine in. So we have a lot to do on the E30, but I feel like it's going to be an amazing process. If you have any questions about the E30 or have any mod ideas for the E30 that maybe I haven't seen, leave them also in the comments down below. But this was just a quick update on the E30. I hope you guys are excited as I am. This is going to be really, really good, and I'm super pumped for it. So we'll finally be able to, now that the 335i is done and taken care of, we'll be able to put some of the effort towards the E30 and really make her nice. But that is going to be all for today. I will keep you guys updated when the rims come in. Make sure to get us up to 4,000 subscribers. We are so close. So make sure to make that happen. Leave a like on today's video, and I will catch you guys next time. Have an amazing day. My name is Ryan. This is Project Racecar. Peace.